Hey traders, welcome back to the Modest Money channel. If you're managing rental properties and feel like you're drowning in spreadsheets or struggling to stay on top of finances, this video is for you. Today I'm diving into Baselane, a platform that promises to simplify property management for landlords, property managers, and real estate investors. I'll give you a brief overview of all the features Baselane offers, but I'll focus specifically on their Baselane banking features. The tools designed to help you organize your finances, manage expenses, and maximize your property profits. If you're curious about their full range of property management tools, we've got a separate in-depth dive into those. Look for the link in the description or check out our channel to navigate there. And don't forget, if you decide to give Baselane a try, there's an exclusive $150 welcome bonus waiting for you through the link in the description. Let's jump in. Before we get into the banking features, I want to take a step back and talk about the company itself. Baselane was founded in 2020 by Matthias Korder, Thorben Scheidegger, and Jad Yagi, with a mission to simplify property management for landlords and investors. Their headquarters are based in New York City, and they're a big player in the growing proptech space. From day one, Baselane's focus has been on solving three major headaches for landlords: managing payments, tracking financial insights, and securing properties. What really caught my attention is how Baselane consolidates all those tedious tasks into one easy-to-use platform. Instead of jumping between different apps or spreadsheets, you've got everything you need in one place, including financial tracking, automated insurance quotes, and an intuitive dashboard. I have to say, I appreciate how the founders really understood the pain points of landlords and built something that not only saves time, but also provides better data to help grow your investments. That's a win-win in my book. Now, let's hear what actual users are saying about Baselane. The platform boasts an excellent 4.3-star rating on Trustpilot, which is always a great sign. While digging through reviews, I found a lot of recurring themes. What really stood out to me was how often users praise the platform's user-friendly design and exceptional customer support. Several people mentioned how intuitive it is to set up and use, even for those who aren't tech-savvy. For them, Baselane's seamless user interface and regular feature updates were a big plus. And for those managing larger portfolios, like 7 properties or more, the scalability of Baselane is a huge advantage. There were also a few minor complaints, but nothing that seemed like a deal breaker. Baselane's customer service team was quick to respond to any issues, and users appreciated the professional tone and helpful resolutions they received. Let's get into the good stuff: Baselane's features, pricing, and why I think it could be a game changer for landlords like you and me. All right, let's start with the heart of this review, the Baselane banking features. For me, this is where the platform really shines. You get the ability to open unlimited checking and savings accounts for each of your properties or entities. If you're like me and have ever tried juggling property expenses across one account, you know how messy that can get. Baselane fixes all of that by letting you organize every property's finances in its own account. Security deposits, handled. Savings for a big renovation, covered. It's organization heaven. Here's the kicker: those savings accounts earn up to 3.56% APY. That's not just a little extra, it's 60 times the national average. If you are like me, then you love the idea of my idle money actually working for me instead of just sitting there. And knowing that everything is FDIC insured up to $3 million through Baselane's partner, Bank, that's some serious peace of mind. Now, I want to talk spending. Baselane offers both physical and virtual debit cards, and they're not just your average cards. You get 1% cash back on all purchases and up to 5% cash back on home improvement expenses. That's perfect for landlords constantly reinvesting in properties. Plus, you can set spending limits, lock cards instantly, and even create virtual cards for specific projects. It's like having complete control over how and where your money is spent. Personally, I think this is a lifesaver for anyone managing multiple properties. Paying bills can be such a chore, but Baselane makes it simple with its automated payment platform. Whether it's ACH, wire, or even mailing a check, it's all handled for you. I can't tell you how much time I've wasted on manual bill payments in the past. This feature alone feels like a breath of fresh air. Another thing I love is Baselane's built-in rent collection. Tenants can pay you directly through the platform, whether it's ACH or credit card, and the rent is deposited straight into your Baselane bank account. And get this, it's automatically synced with their bookkeeping tools, tagging every transaction by property. If tax time usually stresses you out, I know it does for me, this feature is a total game changer. While banking is the star of this show, Baselane also offers a bunch of other useful tools, like tenant screening, property insurance, and even landlord loans. If you want a deep dive into those features, check out my full Baselane review. You can find the link in the description. Now, let's talk about pricing. Honestly, this is one of the best parts about Baselane. Baselane's core features are completely free. You heard that, right? Completely free. No hidden fees, no minimum deposits, no monthly charges. Sounds too good to be true? They have to make money, right? Well, they do. If your tenants pay rent with a credit or debit card, there's a 2.99% processing fee, but ACH payments are free. And if you're not using Baselane banking for rent deposits, there's a $2 fee per deposit, which is totally avoidable if you stick with their accounts. For everything you're getting, I think the pricing structure is incredibly fair, especially for landlords managing multiple properties. So, what's the verdict? In my opinion, Baselane is a no-brainer if you're a landlord or real estate investor looking to simplify your finances. I mean, who doesn't want better organization, high APY on savings, and cashback on property expenses? And the fact that it's free to use, that's just icing on the cake. If you've been frustrated with juggling accounts, managing rent collection, or staying on top of bookkeeping, Baselane could be the tool that makes your life so much easier. Don't forget, if you're ready to give Baselane a try, use the link in the description to snag a $150 welcome bonus. Well, that wraps up my Baselane banking review. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips and tools to simplify your property management. Happy investing, and I'll see you in the next one.